And these are nice filled raviolis, and it makes them a little difficult to stuff, but they still work nice. So then you take, and this is almost like contact cement, right? Especially after it starts to dry out a little bit. We're just going to top these guys. Don't press down too much yet. Right? Push down on the top of the ball just a little bit, right? And then this is going to be the fun part. So when you pick this up, we're going to try to match the sides, right, as we go around. And if you do like 3 sides, then you can go back around, thumb and forefinger or pointer finger, and just go all the way around, right? And you're going to want to do that a couple of times. See how it came right back apart? Right? And then see how the filling is creeping up towards the edge? We're just going to push that back towards the center, right? And then 2 fingers all the way around. And that's it. So nice and sealed all the way around. Good edge to the ravioli, but it's not like a dot of filling and then all this pasta, right? It's mostly filling and a little edge seal. One of the things you can do is you can take this ramekin, right? And you can like try to force that back in. So, you know, you fold it in half, and you could do this and just leave them into little half moons. So mezzalunas, half moons, right? All done, right? And you can then fold them. And then there's 2 ways to do it. There's one way to do it where you make a cup, right? So the cup is like that.